Hey everybody, Gary Fernan here for PHOTORECEPTORCELL. In today's guide I'm going to show you how to create a surreal effect using a paintbrush. So here we are in Photoshop. The image that I will be using today I have downloaded from Shutterstock. If we look up here in the top left here, this is the Shutterstock image file that I've downloaded, should you choose to seek it out and use this one yourself. Okay, so the effect that I'm going to try and do for you today is it's really quite simple. Now if you're using one of your own images, you may want to, before doing this effect, just tweak it slightly so that you're happy with it. Because this is a downloaded photo from Shutterstock, it's already been edited and tweaked and everything's nice and clean, so I don't have to do that at this stage. So I can go straight into creating my effect. So the first thing we want to do is add a black and white adjustment layer, and we do this by coming down to this little yin yang symbol here, selecting that, and from the pop-up select black and white. So that's that creates a separate layer, completely desaturated of color. And again, if you're using your own image, you may want to tweak some of the colors in your on your black and white layer, just to give it some extra punch, some bit more strength. But as I say, because this is a downloaded image from Shutterstock, I don't have to do that. So the next tip to do is, if we hit B on our keyboard to bring up our brush, we want a nice soft tipped brush. So at the moment I'm looking at hard, so I don't want hard, I want a nice soft brush. So let's have a look at soft. Let's just go with that one for now. Let's change the size. What I'm going to do is I'm going to brush over this area of the face here that was painted, and obviously I'm going to take away or bring back the color of the brush as well. So my size at 84 is a good starting point. Now when it comes to the opacity, I'm going to reduce that. Let's just type it into 50% to begin with. I can always increase it after that. But I'm going to start off with 50%, and I'm just going to paint away. So let's zoom in a bit there. Hold down the space bar, brings up your little hand, and then you can drag and drop. Let's change my background, foreground there to black and white. You want to be painting with a black brush in order to bring the colours back through. I'm going to go over all of this here. Do you know what? Blow it. I'm going to make my opacity 100. Let's go for it. Let's do it. Let's make my brush a little bit bigger. There we go. It's such a good colour. It seems a waste to reduce it by 50%. So I'm not being too careful in the middle. I'm going to reduce my brush size. When I get to the edges, because I don't want to go over those edges too much. Not a problem if you do. Just select a white brush and go over the areas that you want to bring back. So obviously I've gone too far there. So if I hit X to change my brush from black to white, smaller brush, and I can just go over those edges there where the skin started to creep in. And we're just going to work our way around that paint strip. So there we go, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope that you got something from it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Let me know what you thought.